It feels like the housing market is in trouble. Let me explain. We can all feel the wrath of inflation. The cost of living is through the roof. And $1 in 2018 is now $1.25 in 2024. Now that may not seem like much, but a $10,000 car is now $12,500. Imagine a home. Did you know that 2/3 of Americans are more afraid of running out of money than dying? Yeah. Dying. This is not a sustainable economy. Have you heard about the insurance problem for people trying to buy homes? The basic breakdown is this. The insurance companies in California are fighting and we're getting hit with the stray bullets. California doesn't allow insurance companies to raise prices unless California approves it. And without the price increases, these companies are losing money because of the cost of rebuilding and the extreme weather that we've had. This is happening in Florida too. God forbid you want to buy a home that needs flood or fire insurance. There's literally only one company in California that offers fire insurance, and that's the California Fair Plan. And let me tell you, they are expensive. And if you need a loan to purchase a home in one of these areas, you're required to have home and fire insurance. I just sold a $450,000 mountain home, and the new buyer is paying $4,000 a year just for fire insurance. Now on the flip side, part of the reason my clients wanted to sell was because they're on a fixed income and their insurance went up. Do you see the issue? Not only is the average American getting squeezed at the grocery store and the gas pump, the insurance companies are squeezing us too. But how much can be squeezed? What happens when buyers can no longer afford these prices because of insurance? Because the insurance has to be worked into their debt to income ratio for the loan. And what happens when sellers can no longer afford their mortgage because the increase in insurance? Again, this economy is not sustainable. Now let's talk about commercial. I think commercial may be the best play of 2025 because when you buy commercial, you typically get a short-term loan like 5 years. So back in 2020, when these people got commercial loans, they got them at 3%. And in 2025, when these loans come due, interest rates will probably be 9%. Not to mention commercial's use case has really shit the bed. Work from home is extremely more popular since COVID, which means commercial space is not as useful. And if the numbers don't work, the banks don't want to refinance the loan. So what do? You either default or pay the loan in full. And why would you pay the loan in full if it's not even worth that? Tinfoil hat time. If Trump wins and commercial shits the bed in 2025, I'm talking even a fart, I believe the news is gonna run something like commercial is crashing, residential next, and people will start jumping out of the window. Not literally, but you get what I mean. That's just what I see. I could be wrong, and I'm happy to be wrong. It's just hard to believe that this economy can continue to go the way it's been going.